Everyone knows about the father of technology, but how many of us know about the father of Indian armed revolution? India is the motherland of the brave freedom fighters, but many are still unknown. Vasudev Balwant Phadke was one such Indian armed revolutionary, a freedom fighter who dreamt of independent India. Vasudev Balwant Phadke was the epitome of patriotism in the fight against the British. He was born on November 4, 1845 in Panvel, Raigad, Maharashtra. He was interested in wrestling in the early days of his life and was also very vocal against the British rule. After dropping out of school, Phadke moved to Pune and under the guidance of his mentor Krantikari Lahuji Salve, he fought for independence and understood how the different sections of society should come together to attain freedom. It is to be noted that Phadke had developed a public culture of patriotism long before Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai and Bipin Chandra Pal. He formed Ramosi Peasant Force who aimed to eliminate the Britishers from the country by instigating an armed revolt. For this cause, he gathered people from the backward communities and raided the British government treasury to assemble money to benefit famine-stricken villagers. He raided the house of the local businessman at Dhamari, Pune, where he took money collected as tax from Indians by the British government. He inspired people in great numbers who would listen to his speeches for hours. Vasudev Phadke wanted a well-organized revolutionary machine to destroy the British army. For that, he made 4 groups. The first group was to organize meetings of schoolboys where they taught about the importance of education. The second group was of roving bands that would go around the cities singing patriotic songs. The third group was given the responsibility of spreading the plight of India and the importance of freedom. The last and the fourth group consisted of members who would plot revolutionary activities. Vasudev Phadke issued his famous proclamation denouncing the exploitative economic policies of the British government and warned them in May 1879. The copies of the declaration were posted to the governors, collectors and British officers, creating a sensation throughout the country. After this revolutionary act by the great Phadke, the Britishers were forced to tighten their grip. He was forced to flee from the Maharashtra and went to the temple of Sri Shaila Mallikarjuna, a Jyotirlinga in Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. Phadke was captured in 1879 and was jailed in Yemen because the Britishers feared of public reaction on his arrest. He escaped from the jail in Feb 1883 by pulling the prison door off its hinge but was arrested immediately. He went on a hunger strike till his death and passed away at a young age of 38 on Feb 17, 1883.